Morning guys, this morning we have a bike race right around the corner from our house. I'm gonna head to the gym, and after that I'm gonna continue where I left off yesterday. So returning, they have blocked off my street, and now I need to find another way home. I'm back. That was an absolute nightmare. The last 500 meters took me 20 minutes. I had to do a almost 30-kilometer detour. I am going to work on the plasterboards. I might do some bits above the windows, we'll see. I will probably do some work in the bathroom. And I would like to say thank you to our new patrons, Lito, Eric and John. It's very much appreciated. Write a little note and place inside this little cavity here to whoever decides to tear down this wall in the future. They're gonna find a little message. I'm gonna keep it secret for everyone except for the whoever decides to find it in the future. So that's where it's gonna be for the remainder of hopefully a very, very long time. Now I'm going to continue over here. Okay, so that's done. Now I have the pieces above the windows. I have a few more things to do here, but I'm gonna take a break and then continue, I guess, around here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do there where the air conditioning units are gonna be, so I'll wait for those. Then I have to correct the gap, the ceiling gap as well as the floor gap everywhere, because neither the floor or the ceiling is straight. It doesn't really matter, I just want the gap to be equal everywhere, especially on top, because I'm gonna have a LED lighting strip that runs through all around here. Yeah, so time for a break and then continuing with I guess I'm gonna do the door frame, etc. So I'm getting a bit annoyed by the competition. This guy has been standing here for a couple of hours now, screaming at the cyclists going past. Yeah, middle-aged men in tights on bicycles. God. Yeah, okay, let's get back to work. Okay, so what I need to do is make some space inside the stone wall for the plastic thing to fit, because it's a little bit deeper than the wall will be. So I'm going to deal with that and then get back to plastering. Okay, so this is turning out to be another nightmare. These ones, I don't know where they come from, but the diameter is of course not standard, because this is the standard drill for that. It's also not this one, so I really don't know. It's some uneven number on these ones, so I can't get these ones to fit perfectly, which means I'm gonna have to basically redo it somehow. So that's gonna be it. I'm gonna end it. I do have some bits over here to do, but that's a job for tomorrow. It's getting late. I am gonna relax, barbecue a bit, go for a walk with the dogs, and I'm gonna end it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!